Your contractor website may not need more traffic. It may need a clearer path to the phone. Picture a homeowner on a phone. They need a roofer, remodeler, plumber, or HVAC company. They land on your site, but the phone number is buried and the estimate form feels like work. So they leave, tap the next contractor on Google, and you never know they were there. That is not always a traffic problem. It can be a lead path problem. You may have already paid for the website, ads, truck wrap, yard signs, or your Google listing. But if the next step is unclear, that attention can walk right back out. Here is the simple test. On your phone, can a homeowner quickly see what you do, find a clear reason to act, and call or request an estimate without hunting? If not, that is what I fix with the done-for-you contractor website lead system from Instant Sales Funnels. It is a personal website installation, not another marketing subscription. I install one trade-specific lead page, one customer-facing calculator or estimate tool, a cleaner homepage form and call to action, a mobile click-to-call bar, and a clearer path on one main service page. You also get a private, password-protected dashboard with standard contractor pricing, quote, and follow-up tools, so the things you use after an inquiry are in one place. No CRM, no automatic texts, and no monthly fee from me. I install and test the public pieces, set up the private tools, and walk you through the system. The complete installation is $1,497, one time. It is built for contractors who want the website they already own to make the next step easier to find. See exactly what I install and whether it fits your business. Full details are linked below in the description and pinned comment.